$4,000 per week by just simply copy and pasting emails. I've been doing this on and off for the last few weeks now, and as you can see from my dashboard, I've made well over $300 with it. And if I go ahead and check the last 30 days, you can see I've generated $6,547 promoting this AI software.
Okay guys, I've done my homework and the system is called blog. Not our traditional blog. The shortcut to the 4-step system is called blog. All your money is in step number 4. Step number 1, Google vidIQ. You will be right here, click here, and you'll see this software page. This is a popular software among YouTubers. It helps YouTubers optimize their YouTube videos, rank faster, get views faster, and basically grow faster. So you can imagine it has a high demand already. At the bottom of the page, you'll find affiliates under the product menu. Click and you will be on this page. No one will tell you, but everybody should be careful about this step. Always read all the terms and clearly understand what they want you to do, how much they will pay, and how they will pay you. It's a popular company, so it won't be a big trouble. All you have to do is to click this blue button, sign up to be an affiliate. It is super easy these days to create an account. Just click login with Google. Select your email and click continue. And boom, you're here. I want to choose Mosh Bari and click enroll now. Now this is my unique affiliate link. Anyone clicks on that link and make a purchase, I will simply earn a commission. How cool is that? The next thing nobody tells you about is the PayPal thing. They pay through PayPal, so you have to put your active PayPal email to get paid. Now they have a referral program and they have a crash course. If you are completely new, go check the crash course. It will help you because these kind of companies try to help others, because if they help you become an affiliate or a good affiliate or a big affiliate, you will sell their product and they make money. So the first step was build your affiliate setup. It's done. Moving on to next step, go search something on YouTube and then click this filters. Then click this last hour. These are the most recent videos. And from the number of views, you'll have an idea about the popularity or the authority of the channel. Or let's try this one. No views in 1 hour. They seem to have 115 videos and only 16 subscribers. Number of views are very low. Definitely they're trying something, but it's not quite working for them. So go and click this more link and you will be in the about section. Then click this view email address and prove that you are not a robot by clicking this checkbox and click submit. It's not quite working right now, but it usually shows the email. So step 2, locate potential YouTube creators. Now contacting each of these YouTube creators via email one by one is not an easy job. Making money is not easy, but it is simple. Look how simple it is to find an email. I've been trying for 5 minutes but couldn't get one. Unfortunately, that's the reality of business. But what's fortunate is that you have other opportunities. For example, medium.com. Medium.com gets 127 million visitors per month. And most of their traffic come from tier 1 countries, which is great. What's even better is that most of their traffic come from search engine. So people search stuff on Google and a lot of times they find their answers in medium.com articles. How cool is that? And what's cooler is that you can have a free account on medium.com. And even cooler than cooler is that you can just click this write button and start writing. Publishing a content on Medium is 100% free. And it gets even better. Medium.com pays you money. You get paid $25 to $40 for generating 1,000 views. I want to start today. If you are wondering, Mosh, who the hell are you teaching like a guru? Well, I'm not a guru, but this is one of my live accounts on Warrior Plus. And on this account alone, we paid over $2.6 million in affiliate commissions to over 2,000 affiliates. So if anyone knows about digital marketing, affiliate marketing, I'm probably one of them. Now, do I need to tell you how to write an article using ChatGPT or any kind of AI models? Just go to ChatGPT and say, hey, ChatGPT, I want you to act like a YouTube expert and a copywriter. You can mention your favorite writer as well, then act like that person and write an article, how to grow YouTube channel. It will write you an article. Then say, write a title, write a subtitle, write a paragraph, write inspiring historical stories. And when you are happy with the article, just copy it and paste it right here. When you are done, publish it. Even ask ChatGPT to give you relevant images. It will draw relevant images for you. Use those images to enhance your article. So step number 3, optimize blog content. The optimization should be for engagement. And to make your story engaging, you should use stories and copywriting techniques. Ask ChatGPT to use these and it will do it for you. You should also optimize for SEO or search engine optimization. Now, if you don't know about this, no problem. Google and get great ideas about search engine optimization from existing articles. Put those articles into ChatGPT and ask to give you ideas how to optimize your article, and basically use those techniques to optimize your articles for the keywords that you are trying to rank for. Okay, is this getting a little complicated? Don't worry, because I will give you the easiest formula to get traffic. Now, if you consistently post new articles on Medium, definitely you will get some traffic regardless the quality of your optimization. Keep your content quality as high as possible so people love your content, follow you, and take action. And whenever they click your link and buy from you, you make money. And when you promote a recurring program like this, you will earn recurring commission. So every time your referred traffic or customers pay them recurring fees, you will earn a recurring commission. The last step, generate email list. This is what we do to get traffic. Instead of spending time on writing content, optimizing, publishing on Medium, we go bigger. We use short videos, but we use AI to learn skills and knowledge fast. Then we use that skills and knowledge and make simple and short videos. Now this video is a longer one, but before making that video, I analyzed this video and multiple other videos with similar content. I went through this analysis and learned the whole business model. I learned about the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats of this business model. I got a short article written just for me. I got the summary written for me. I even have the rating of the business model. Now it's super easy for me to make short videos and use those videos to publish on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. These guys are in a war for getting attention through short videos. They will send me views, and at the end of the video, I have a call to action. I ask my viewers to check my description below this video or my bio somewhere right here. And when they click my link, they go to a page called an opt-in page. This opt-in page is built to capture people's emails. And then my AI-powered automated system send emails to them daily. Share values, share education, share other videos, training, build relationship and trust. And this AI-powered automated funnel does the selling on our behalf. And when there is a sale, we earn $500 plus in passive affiliate commission. How cool is that? Okay, did I just not tell you what we do? Step by step, literally everything. What you waiting for? Go ahead, do it yourself. And if you think we can help you, click the link in the description. We will show you a 99% done for you program. Literally, our beginner students are earning good money. And inshallah, you can do it too. And if you want to learn more about making money online, generating free traffic, digital marketing, affiliate marketing, watch these two videos and these two videos. And we'll see you in the next one.